Hello, my name is Dan McKenzie. I'm a therapy wellness specialist here at American Senior Communities. I'd like to go through some simple chair exercises that you can do. Doesn't require any fancy equipment. They're very simple to do, they're safe, and you don't need a lot of space, as you can see. Just basically a nice, firm, supported chair is all you need, okay? First thing we'll start with is actually just postures. It's very simple. We want to work from the edge of the chair. We don't want to be slumped back in the chair with poor posture. So the first thing we can do is scoot to the edge, feet flat on the floor, our knees at 90 degrees. Upright posture. Pretend there's what we call a plumb line or a cable from your crown to the ceiling. So that actually encourages what we call neutral midline alignment. Okay, so this is a really good place to start. And believe it or not, this is actually strengthening your core, just doing this simple postural technique. Okay, so hold this for 2 or 3 minutes at a time. And when you get comfortable with that, then you can also work on neck positioning, shoulders back and down, waist neutral, knees in alignment, ankles in alignment, feet flat on the floor. So it's a good place to start, okay? So from here, we're gonna do some simple kind of top to bottom total body range of motion exercises. Again, very simple. Now keep in mind, if you have any type of significant discomfort or sharp pain, please don't do these exercises. You wanna consult with your therapist or your physician to make sure they're safe for you, okay? So we're gonna start with our neck range of motion. So really simple, we're gonna start with rotation. So we don't want to turn our upper body like this. We want to keep that actually stationary. First thing we want to do, look to your side. You want to try to line your chin up with your shoulder if you can without cheating. Again, no rotation. So to the side, take a deep breath, blow it out as you go to the right. Okay, this is very, very slow. You don't have to rush through these. Again, don't work through pain. Stay within your tolerance. 10 reps each direction is plenty. Okay, so that's our first one. Next, we're going to do what we call lateral flexion. So again, good alignment here. We're going to try to touch our ear to our shoulder without dipping or cheating. Okay, so it's just basically isolating our neck muscles. Maybe hold for a couple seconds. Back, now take a deep breath. And go to the right, hold for 2 seconds. Okay, very, very simple. Now, we're going to progress to our upper shoulders. We call this an upper trapezius workout, so basically shoulder shrugs. So what we do, again, keeping that plumb line, neutral alignment, we're gonna go up to the ceiling, high as we can comfortably go, hold for 2 seconds, and then down. Again, 10 reps is plenty. Now, as you get stronger and more comfortable with these exercises, feel free to add a rep, maybe 2 to 3 reps of 10, that's fine. But don't, again, work within your tolerance. Okay, next, we're gonna do shoulder rolls. So we're gonna go backwards, okay, 10 reps, and then 10 reps forward. Again, if this causes pain, you definitely want to stop, okay? So again, now we're going to work to our shoulder exercises. There's several different ways we can do this. What we call shoulder flexion, which your thumbs are going to be up like we're hitchhiking position. You're going to go up as high as you can comfortably go, and then down. Again, breathing is essential. We always want to breathe through exercises. Never hold your breath, okay? That raises your blood pressure, adds more stress. So again, breathe in, breathe out as we go up, okay? 10 reps is plenty. The next one will be out to the side, thumbs up. And again, if you have shoulder problems, maybe you've had a previous surgery of some kind, if full range of motion is not doable, that's okay. Go to within your tolerance. I think the important thing though to keep in mind, if I have to actually cheat or add a substitutional movement, then that's not actually isolated. So we want to make sure that we're maintaining good posture. So again, out to the side, down slow, maintaining your breathing, not holding your breath. Okay, the next one's kind of what we call seesaw. So 90 degrees, basically level with our shoulders if we can. If not, that's okay. We're going to rotate to our side, hold for a couple seconds, and back to the front. Now take a deep breath in, breathe out. Now again, if this is too stressful, lower your arms. That's perfectly fine. We can work within this range too. The important thing is we're actually moving, we're engaging our trunk muscles to do this. We're actually engaging our core. Okay, now the next one's gonna be more of a kind of yoga-esque type of movement. We can do it chair level. So again, one arm's up, one arm is down, and we're gonna just basically rotate. Okay, back to position, rotate. Back to the neutral position, rotate. 10 reps, each direction's preferable if you can. Okay, the next one's gonna be more of what we call like a sun salutation or sun pose. So we start looking up the ceiling, arms are in alignment. We're gonna simply just bend forward, Extend our arms back as far as we can go. And then back up, looking at the ceiling. Nice, gentle motions, not rocky. It's just nice and smooth. Working through complete range of motion. Now, if you get dizzy, obviously be careful with this. We don't want to actually over flex. We want to stay within our safe, comfortable range of motion, okay? Now we're going to go and advance to our legs. The first one is going to be just a simple hip lift. So here's what it looks like, okay? Here, again, try to maintain that posture, right? I don't want to lean back. I want to be in neutral. So it's here. Now, if you want to actually interlace your fingers, add a stretch for a couple seconds, that's perfectly fine. 10 reps each side, okay? Now, knee extensions, very simple. Extend your knee. Toes are pointed back, extended. And this will actually add a little bit of stretch in your hamstrings, and you'll certainly feel that. And what you can do is lean forward slightly to add a stretch, okay? Same thing with your left. Toes back, extended, slightly lean forward for a stretch, 2 to 3 seconds, and back. Once again, 10 reps is optimal, okay? We're gonna work to our ankles. Now, what we can do is we call plantar flexion, which is simply raising up our balls of our feet. Nice and slow. Maybe a 2-second hold at the top. Then we can actually switch the directions, called dorsiflexion. So this is actually lifting our toes and back. It's a very subtle movement, but that'll actually kind of help stretch our calf muscles, okay? And this is also an important movement for preventing falls as well, so you don't get tripped up in the carpet, okay? Finally, we're gonna actually extend our leg, and we're gonna do ankle circles. So clockwise, counterclockwise, 10 reps each direction. Try to work through complete range of motion and try to limit yourself. You want to go through complete range of motion, complete circle. Again, once a day is fine. Again, once you progress and get more stamina, add another set or maybe even 10 more reps, okay? I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much.